Look at all that fresh zoysia sod that just came in. All right, this is a madhouse here. So you got a line going this way. You got the line out the door. You got a line coming this way. And we come too deep here with 2 trucks because we don't have a dump trailer. But yeah, this is pretty hectic around here. I need 708 square feet zoysia.
Did you call it in?
I don't think so.
No, we actually don't have any available.
You don't have any available?
We don't have any.
We got it. We're doing 708 square feet of St. Augustine.
708?
Yes. Yeah, I'll drop the tailgate, but we have 2 trucks.
Oh, 2 trucks.
So can we split that like in half?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Okay, well, she's in there paying for it now.
Okay, cool.
So she's handling that.
Then we pull up, okay?
Okay, sounds good. Thank you. Oh man, she's sagging a little bit. We got a whole pallet of St. Augustine back here. So we switched it up because they didn't have any more zoysia left.
Okay, good. Yeah, good, Clinton. Go down. Yeah, right there. Hold on. Go down for the first time. So how business going, man?
It's going good. It's going good, yeah.
That's good.
We're super busy. We just started a second location.
Okay.
So
That's good.
yeah. My goal for this channel is to bring you guys the best value I possibly can. And so as we build out this new Salina location, my goal is to bring you the day-to-day life of all of the stuff that we're doing to hopefully encourage you, influence you to go out and start your business. Or if you've ever wondered how to run multiple locations, this is it. We're showing you behind the scenes day to day. If your goal is not to run multiple locations, but to just run a successful business that at one point down the road or in the future will run without you, again, this is the channel for you. Anytime you stop to get gas, it's always good to top off your fuel can. So that way next time, tomorrow morning and the morning after, everything will be topped off. So you never want to stop at the gas station. If you're going to fill this up, you might as well top that off. If you're going to fill that up, you might as well top that off. So originally we did not have access to the sprinkler heads because this customer is out of town and I think they just bought the house, but I'm glad that we're actually running the sprinkler system because there's a few heads that we missed here. The neighbor's cutting a lawn with a V-ride there. So like here's one that we just missed that would have been buried, and then here's another one that we didn't see also. Look at how much dirt was on that. All right, let's adjust the next zone here and go take a look. We got some extra flags just in case. So when we get finished with this job, what I'll do is I will set up the sprinkler system to run for that front yard 2 times a day. So one in the morning, one in the evening, for roughly probably 5 to 10 minutes each zone, because we want to make sure that this brand new sod that we're putting in gets adequate water and it doesn't dry out. Don't want it to dry out. All right, it is coming along. So we've got the wheelbarrow, but we got a little bit of about a half pallet left, and we already went through this pallet. So if you guys ever see zoysia, or not zoysia, St. Augustine sod like this is no good. I would definitely not put that in the customer's lawn. So that'll probably just be disposal. But yeah, this is it. We are coming along really well. It's coming really well. What I did want to mention to you guys, I don't know if you guys can see this, but anytime you're installing sod, you don't want to just lay each piece in the row directly on top of each other. You always want a you want to cut a piece and start with a full piece and then a half piece, and that will create this staircase method, which will allow the sod to take better once it gets installed here. So Larissa's doing an awesome job crushing this. We got both trucks here, and yeah, all we really got left is this little piece, and then over here it's coming along really well. And what we'll do here is we'll take it all the way back, make sure we cut out each sprinkler head so that way it can come up, and we will be good to go here. This only took us, I would say, maybe an hour and a half to actually do the install. All right, the final product. This is it. We got the whole cleanup done and we are looking good. We are ready for the homeowner to come home to their beautiful new lawn here. Took it all the way back, and we did have a little bit of extra sod. So this is what I'm talking about, guys, about going above and beyond for the customer. So what we did is we took it back here, and we actually took it, so we had him only quoted up until this fence line, but we had extra sod, so we actually took it back here as well. Great job. I'm getting a lot of these notifications from the Facebook groups that I've been trying to join for this new location. And if you're not already, especially in the beginning days, this is completely free. So take advantage of this. What we have is a lot of HOA communities, and what I did, there's probably 15 neighborhood community groups. I went on Google Maps, figured out where the subdivisions are, what the names of them are, and I went on Facebook groups and just searched them. And a lot of them are, hey, neighbors of this community, and you try to join them. And obviously you can't get in every single one of them because sometimes they're super strict and super stringent on who they let in. They only want the people that live there in that community to get in. But there's a lot of them that you can get in. In fact, I got into about half of them already. So 7 or 8 of them I've gotten in, but it's super simple, super easy. Now, I'm not saying go in there and be super salesy like, hey guys, let me post this ad every freaking week. No, what I do is I sit in there and Facebook knows that I only comment on the ones that are about lawn care, especially the recommendations. So what does it do? The algorithm pushes those ones up first. That's the only reason why I use Facebook, is for business, okay? So when somebody goes in these groups and is like, hey, who recommends somebody that mows lawns? When I open up Facebook, I am the literally top 1 or 2 comments, because Facebook knows I'm going to comment on that. And then I put reliable and veteran owned. The reason I put reliable is because that's the biggest pain point for customers. My guy doesn't show up, especially in the Texas heat, all this stuff. So I want to give them the answers to this test and say, hey, we are the reliable ones. Maybe a little bit more expensive, but we'll be there. Best part about living out in the county, not having any rules and regulations, is we get to burn, baby. We get to burn. Let it burn. Woo, that's hot.
It is very hot.
All right, so while Larissa finishes burning the burn pile and getting rid of all of the disposal, I am loading up the truck here. I've got 1 mow out in our Salina location, which is our new location, and I have our very first meet with estimate with a customer. So super exciting. I'm not actually going to get any footage of that stuff because I got to kind of rock and roll. I got about an hour to get over there, and I got to load this up and do a couple other things. But yeah, gonna knock that mow out, do that estimate, and then later on this evening, once I get back to the office, obviously debrief with our office manager, answer any questions, check the email, stuff like that. And then I've got a coaching call at 6 p.m. So as a reminder for anybody who wants to grow their lawn care and landscaping business, I am taking my time completely for free and doing free coaching calls for you, the viewer. Take advantage of it now because it won't be free forever. And the reason why I'm doing it right now is literally to, number 1, I get fulfillment by helping other people by not expecting anything in return. And then number 2, obviously we're trying to build the channel and reach more people, bless more people, because we're all in to grow, serve, give, and be a blessing. That is our mission. We'll see you guys next time.